Looking to transform your garden floor into a serene oasis? Let's delve into the world of moss, a humble yet transformative plant. Today we're uncovering the top 5 moss varieties that can turn your everyday garden into a peaceful retreat. Stay tuned as we explore these fascinating varieties together. First on our list is sheet moss, a versatile and robust variety. Known for its low maintenance and hardiness, this moss thrives in a variety of conditions. It blankets your garden floor with a lush green carpet, creating a serene atmosphere. Sheet moss is a perfect choice for those wanting a lush green carpet underfoot. Next up is cushion moss, known for its soft, cushiony texture. This moss thrives in damp, shady spots, making it a unique choice for your garden floor. With minimal maintenance, cushion moss will definitely add a touch of softness to your garden oasis. Rock-cap moss, our third variety, is a great choice for rocky landscapes. This moss thrives in hard conditions, requires minimal care, and adds a lush green carpet to your garden. For those with rocky gardens, rock-cap moss is a fantastic option. Fourth on our list is hair-cap moss, a tall and captivating variety. This unique moss variety brings height and depth to your garden floor, with its easy care routine and distinctive qualities. Its towering presence and lush green hue add intrigue. Hair-cap moss can bring an interesting vertical element to your serene garden floor. Last but not least, Scotch moss is known for its vibrant color. This resilient variety thrives in partial shade, requires moderate watering, and boasts a lush, golden green hue. It's a standout choice that can truly enliven your serene garden floor. Scotch moss is perfect for adding a dash of color to your serene garden floor. So there you have it, the top 5 moss varieties to transform your garden floor into a serene oasis. We've journeyed through the lush world of sheet moss, cushion moss, rock-cap moss, hair-cap moss, and Scotch moss. Each variety, unique in its charm, can bring a sense of tranquility to your garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!